Hi guys, so this is the extension which supports 16 ampere of plug. So as you can see, this is the name of this Sycro 4 socket. It has 6 ampere and 16 ampere sockets, and I have ordered the 10 meter variant because I need to have big wires in length actually. So this is how they have shipped me. So I think it's a good packing, but they should have used some like bubbles to it, but I think it's still fine. So inside this package they delivered me. So inside this it is there, so I will be just try to uh, map it with the inchy tape and see whether it's actually at 10 meter or not. So this is the quality. If you can see, there is some protection for the kids, I guess, for the 16 ampere plugs, and this is from the 16 ampere, and this is the 25 ampere MCB. So I guess if this extension heats up or have really like high voltage, the MCB will going to shut it down, so it will going to protect your main plug. So inside this, as you can see, it's a little bit broken from here. So not sure whether I should trust this quality or not, but I think other than that, it looks fine to me. It's a 10 meter segment, like I said before, and it's like not very heavy because these will be the plugs for this. And if you really wants you to assemble this kind of mechanism, I have calculated it will be around 600 or so, including the wires. But you won't be able to find this kind of box, I think, in the market. So you need to order this kind of things, and it will take some time to figure out where to buy it and all. So regarding the box, you can go with like 100. So 700 rupees should be the worth if you wants to do it on your own, and then you can say that 300 will be for labor only. So I think it's value for money if it is work, but if it is able to hold the current for 16 ampere. It comes with a returnable policy, so I guess it's not a bad thing. And I will try to use it with my heater, which is going to be 1000 watt to 2000 watt, and it is of 16 ampere. So I guess it should be able to use it with this. And uh, I'm looking at that it's 20 ampere, but I'm not sure whether it will going to hold 216 ampere current at the same time, because 16 ampere here, 16 ampere here, it will be 32 around. And with 32 this plug is not that great. But again, if you see my main plug, this one, I don't know why, but it's by the design, it is using 6 ampere. So maybe I should be able to use it if I don't run it throughout the night. By the way, I'm not thinking of using it throughout the night, but only in there. So I guess I need to on and off this thing, and I think in every hour or so. I might also buy a socket for Wi-Fi socket for 16 ampere one. So turning it on and off will be controlled by my EcoShow. So I don't think I need to worry about this. So it will be always in on position, and my plug will going to sit here, and then it will going to plug on and off. So let's try to add my heater to it and see the result. So this is the heater I'm going to use. It's of 2000 watt, and this will be the 16 ampere plug. So when you try to put it inside, so as you can see, it fits perfectly. So it do have 16 ampere, so it's proven now. So I need to just run this wire. So I have calculated it, it's almost around 32 feet something, but it's very hard, it's not flexible, but again because it's very high in length, so and also it supports heavy current, so it will not be that flexible as compared to the 10 ampere supported wire. So I think it's fine. So I will be running this wire inside this, and it will go through inside the bed, and from bed I will be using that to that plug. So I will just do that and see. So I have turned it on. So for now, just for the testing purpose, I have put the wire here, and this is how the light will looks like, and it's in on position. So when you do that, it's doing off. So pretty much what it is expected from a switch. But let's just try this MC whether it is working or not. So let me just off it. Okay, it's working, so it's a good thing that it is working. So you might be saying that why I'm doing this, but you always do whatever extension you ever bought. So just try to run your appliances throughout this circuit. So sometimes what happens is sometimes two of them only works, and another one will not going to work because of the assembling issue and something. So always make sure that you test all the plugs when you get the product, so that it will be tested before the return policies. So I will be running a test against this ones too, but I think it's working fine. I didn't hear any sounds due to the load, and as you can see, my heater is working. So I guess that's all for this review. And if you have any question regarding this product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And likes and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.